In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Word on a Mac using Microsoft Word. If you've ever received a PDF and wished you could edit the text, adjust formatting, or reuse the content in a document, this quick method is for you. It requires no additional software, just the Word app you already have, and it works best for straightforward text-based PDFs. First, open Microsoft Word on your Mac. Use whatever you prefer, your dock, Launchpad, or the Applications folder, to start Word. Once Word is open, go to the top menu bar, click File, and choose Open. In the Open window, navigate to the PDF you want to convert, select it, and click Open. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions, so you're working with the most up-to-date content. You'll see a message from Word letting you know that it's about to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This is normal. Word is essentially rebuilding the PDF's content so you can edit it. Keep in mind that complex layouts, decorative fonts, tables, and heavy graphics may not look exactly the same after conversion. Scanned PDFs rely on optical character recognition, so you might notice minor errors, like letters misread or spacing that needs a nudge. When you're ready, click OK to proceed. Word will take a moment to process the file. The time it takes depends on the size and complexity of your PDF. When it's done, the document opens right in Word, and you can start editing. Click into a paragraph to confirm you can place your cursor and type. Headings, lists, and tables often come through well, but you may see the occasional line break, hyphenation, or image placement that needs adjustment. Zoom in if you need a closer look, and make small edits to tidy up formatting. This is common with PDFs designed like brochures or forms, where background elements and columns are more intricate. Once you're satisfied, it's time to save your work as a Word document. Go back to the top menu and choose File, then Save As. In the Save dialog, pick a location you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and make sure the file format is set to .docx. That's the standard Word format and ensures your edits are preserved the next time you open it. Click Save. Your original PDF remains unchanged, and you now have an editable Word version you can update anytime. That's all there is to it. Open the PDF in Word, confirm the conversion, and save as .docx. It's a fast, reliable way to turn a PDF into something you can edit on your Mac without installing anything extra.